Alright, so we're going to look at Vaneck Vectors ETF. So we can tell for a long time it's been at a strong trend. It's looking like it's been trending since 2009, but it had its real major push. Like, yes, it's May. It's been going hard. So I like this, but if it were to retrace, what doesn't a good area look like? Personally, considering the strength, I'd like to say the reversal candle would be my first point. Just for the pure fact that this could be seen as a zone of support or resistance, possibly. It's not to guarantee anything, but overall, I want to see it hit the trend line here. We could say 109. Oh, and before I continue, I'd like to state that I am not a financial advisor. So if you decide you want to invest into this stock or anything at all, or trade, do it at your own risk. And I'm going to cancel you. But overall, we need to break it down. See where this is going. So everyone just wants to call me. Jesus. But okay, so I see a descending triangle right here, and where it's actually on a trend as we speak. So to me, looking at the strength, you really can't say that these things will hold. We want to see how it reacts. I like this reversal candle over here. I like that it's on a small downtrend for a few days, but I want to see it break, how it reacts here. Or will it come back, or anything like that? How is it going to respond? Is it going to come back inside the pattern? Is it going to blow up? Just totally take off? I want to know if it's going to break the trend and drop. But ultimately, looking at this, I see a lot of strength. But with that strength, will that strength send this pattern back at any point? Question is, we will see. Maybe lockdown can be a factor in this stock, but we got to let time play out, and you got to really monitor this stock and really understand what you're doing as far as reading the charts. But for now, I'd say for me, if I were to get into this, my first target would be like 200. But at the same time, I want to see a response. At lowest, I want to see how it responds to this trend here at 110, but there's no guarantee that it's going to come back at this point. There's no guarantee that it's going to really drop at all, because there is a lot of strength. So with that in mind, just really focus on the reaction. So if you thought this video was pretty helpful, feel free to give it a like, feel free to subscribe. And if you're new to stocks, there's a link to Robinhood and Webull in the description as well.